Hi guys, welcome to HTR. This is a Moto G14, which is a budget phone, comes under 10,000 rupees, which I got it yesterday. Let's have the first impressions of how do I feel about this, and also we will see what are the things you get in the box. We get this box, and if you could see here, it is manufactured in India and it is available for sale only in India, which means that this particular piece is made in India and only for Indian customers, thinking in mind. Let's see what are the things we get here. We get this soft matte finish, a little bit of matte finish, but backside it is plain. And we get a sim ejector tool and very less user guide, only two papers and a safety instructions. Again, type C charger, USB to type C charger we get, and along with this we also get 20-watt charger. Now let's coming to the phone itself. This phone is 6.5 inches and it has got, if you could see on the left and right side, it has got less bezels. On the top we have a little bit more bezels, and in the bottom we have bigger bezels. Obviously this is available under 10,000. We will expect those things. There is nothing shock in that. And we also get 3.5 mm jack with Dolby Atmos sound, and we have these right side volume rockers and fingerprint and power on off buttons. The bottom there is a dedicated speaker which outputs almost 60%, and we have another speaker over here which outputs the rest of the audio. And we have USB type C here and a microphone. And on the left side we have a SIM tray tool. Let's open this. If you could see, it has got a dedicated SIM card slot and two SIM slots. So this dedicated SIM card slot can be expandable up to 1 TB, which is good. And in hand it feels very handy, I would say. This is also not that slippery, though it has got plain surface at the back end. It has got shiny this thing, and this is 50 megapixel primary camera, and this is 2 megapixel macro camera. And on the front side we get 8 megapixel selfie camera. It's just only a one day I have been using this. I have been using it heavily. My primary SIM itself is in this phone. Here you can see I have two SIM cards installed already, and also I'm using two WhatsApps at a time. It's a heavy usage, but I feel very good in hand, and also it is not bulky, it is very lightweight. Let's open this. Fingerprint is also very fast. If you could see, you just don't need to press it, just a touch. Okay. And what I like is, though this is a 60 hertz max, but it really not that jittery. You can see this, there is some jittery, but that is not affecting you if you are habituated with this. But one thing which I realized with this phone is that we talk about 90 Hz, 120 Hz, refresh rate, smoothness, and all. But for our regular purposes, just for calling, SMS, and WhatsApp, and a normal gaming purpose, 60 Hz is enough for the purpose. The only where we go to that 90 hertz and 120 hertz is one for gaming purpose, obviously. Secondly, if you are using more phone in a day for documentation purpose, email checking, etc., etc. But apart from that, for a daily use purpose, I think 60 hertz is enough for me, and we get easily 60 hertz refresh rates under 10,000 rupees. But there is one thing is that this phone is a 4G phone, though it has 128 GB inbuilt and it can be expandable up to 1 terabyte, but this is a 4G phone. And also the RAM is, this one I bought it for review purpose, so this is a 4 GB RAM with 128 GB. Anyway, if this is a 4G phone, again, just to be point to be noted when you are buying this. Anyway, let's come back to the screen. This has a full HD plus 60 has refresh rate and it feels smooth. It's okay. What I love is this, if you could see the wallpapers, how they are smooth and running. I always play like this. This is very smooth. And also I like these Moto widgets. I haven't tested camera much more, and if you could see the widgets, I like these Moto widgets a lot. There are a lot of widgets, and this Moto widgets you get a lot of things. It has some bloatware. I am not saying, I am not denying. And this is what I see whenever I have finished my installation. I see a Candy Crush and Carom this, and there is one more magic tile. These three are pre-installed, but apart from these three things, they have grouped some of the things. Let's say if you could go to entertainment, though these are not installed, but Moto is trying to push you to install all these recommendations, though it's not installed. It is up to you. And also similarly, you have games hub also we have. It is also the same thing, though it is not installed, it is asking you to install other games, though I haven't enabled it. And there is one more magic tiles. This is something, and this is a music app. And after using a day, I feel that this is, I don't say this is a buttery smooth, but it is smooth. It's okay, that does your purpose and on a regular basis, and rest of the things are remain same. Let's say if you shake it, the flashlights will on and again it will off, and if you turn fast then the camera will open. This kind of a things you get in this also. Overall, what I would say, this Moto G14 is very compact in hand. It is pretty lightweight, and full HD plus display will give you better viewing experience. And also I'll have to check the camera test and the battery test, and also we will have another full review after maybe a 1 or 2 weeks of after using this. And if you want to see the unboxing video, I'll paste the link somewhere over here and in the below description. You can watch these things, but for now this is a good phone under 10,000 rupees. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.